How are you, Wanda lovers or the Wanda fans? So, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to make a Funko Pop unboxing video for this first Black Light version of Funko Pop Scarlet Witch. So we have the special edition, this one. So this is 986. This is the first Black Light, I think, collection of the Funko Pop for the Scarlet Witch. So thank you for Swipe Collectibles. I have problem with this one, with this stand, but I'm not a box collector anyway. So let's go into the review. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Much love. Hello, Wanda lovers. Here we have the WandaVision 986 Funko Pop, the Scarlet Witch, a special edition. I think this is the first Scarlet Witch that has a black light effect. Unfortunately, I don't have a black light, so I cannot show you the effects of this Funko Pop together with the black light. I only have problem for this because of this box. It's a big dent here. It's not the seller's fault. So Swipe Collectibles, not your fault. It's actually the courier. They are very careless in delivering the packages. So here at the back of the box, you can see 4 different Funko Pop figures. So we have Captain America, we have Sylvie, we have Infinity Killmonger, and we have Kate Bishop with Lucky the Pizza Doll. This is Funko Pop. They have the same features of the box for all the Black Light Funko Pop. I think this is from the WandaVision, obviously, and it is the same figure from the regular Scarlet Witch together with the Darkhold. So for me, this is the same mold. They only have this the black light effect. I think they have the Marvel Course, which is a translucent, and they also have the glows in the dark special edition Funko Pop. And this is the first black light of the Scarlet Witch. So you can see she has a purple face. Her tiara and her hood and her cape are blue, and the other are different colors of green. And I think this is the same mold. Obviously, we have the Darkhold here. It glows in the dark. And all of these are just the same if you compare it to the other Funko Pop of Scarlet Witch. For me, it's like just having a different Scarlet Witch from the different multiverse in comparison with the other Scarlet Witch with the Darkhold. So I hope you enjoyed this Funko Pop video. I hope you're gonna add this in your collection for the Wanda lovers or Wanda fans just like me. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Much love.